everyone, it's Liza. Welcome to my channel, Show Me Beautiful. I have my clock there to remind me I have less than 2 weeks for my son's wedding. So get ready with me. At home micro wedding, classic mother of the groom look. You can do this at home. And again, you know, I want to be the best version of myself, but I'm telling you, I got some things here to hide, to do better with. So here we go.